don't need to do affiliate marketing, no website required, you don't need a social media following, you also don't need any skills or any previous experience to do this method. Today I will be teaching you a method where you will feel an absolute ease as you can start making money online thanks to a website I found recently. But first, hello and welcome to Easy Finance Boy, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to all of our viewers. Now let's get into the video. The website which I will be talking to you about is cginc.info. This is a make money website. Creative jobs work online. Earn online because we know you have enough skills. If you have a few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute small time-bound and high-paying tasks, then you are at the right place. They recruit and hire flexible people who are innovative and self-confident and who seek immediate responsibility. They will pay you for your time if you are free to join. Yes, they are also free. And something that I know a lot of you love about this is that this method is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world right now, you can do this. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see three people. This lady right here is from the Philippines. This other woman is from the US, and this guy right here is from Australia. They all come from different parts of the world, which explain and which prove that this is available worldwide. There are also some of the benefits of working online with this website. Work from anywhere, any place, anytime. If you want to become location independent and work from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you just want the flexibility to work for yourself, then this is the portal for you to earn money as much as you want without investment. The cginc.info is one of the few places where you can start with $0 and work your way up to a full-time income. Now, with this info out of the way, let me explain how this works. This website is different because you are going to make money not by completing surveys or by watching videos or clicking ads. In this website, you can find jobs that are sell after online. They do pay a decent amount of money. So right here we have market search, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, online teaching. We will just be focusing on one job in particular, and this is proofreading. Proofreading is correcting various errors in a text, so it does require more knowledge of English. However, I will show you a tool that will correct all of the errors and all the mistakes in any article for absolutely free. And I will write an article with multiple errors on purpose to show you that it does work. So make sure you stay with me until the end of the video, so by the end you won't miss out of any important detail. With that said, if you have the skills that cover other categories such as marketing, research, typing jobs, translation, advertising, online team, and then you can focus on them too. For example, for the typing job, all you have to do is have a fast type in speed and nothing else. If you happen to know two languages or even more, then working as the translator is even better. This can pay you off big time. The point is, this tutorial I will be focusing on proofreading, but you can of course choose whatever you want. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video anyway. So to start working as a proofreader on this website, I will have to sign up, and to do that, hover your mouse over here on the top right corner of your screen. You will then obviously want to select proofreading job, since that's what you're after. On the next page, they will give you more info about what proofreading is. This term comes from the final trial print. Use it to make correction before the final printing. So the proofreader comes through the work looking for any glitch in proofreading, which includes space, punctuation, spelling, alignment, type, font, and style, and other detail. They will also cover here the nature of the job, and more importantly for us, the rate. As you can see here, as a proofreader you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1000 words. Rates depend on the word nature and accuracy level, and more importantly, since I will be sharing a tool that will help you correct the error of an article, you can easily make a lot of money as a proofreader, even if your knowledge in English is not that brand. So, to apply for work as a proofreader, all you have to do is scroll down a bit and you must click on this button which says apply for jobs. And then you will land on this page where you can actually see to apply. You have to download the application form by clicking on this link right here. And if you click on that, you will then be redirected to this page where you have to fill in some basic demographic information about yourself. You will need to select a job which is applying for, and that is proofreading. Then of course, and the rest is just fill out. Here below you can see that they accept PayPal as a payment method, which is awesome, and all you have to do is take this box where you agree to the terms. Also, don't forget to put in your whole name. Here is a signature, and that's absolute it. Click on submit when you finish filling out this form. If you want to go back to the previous page, you will see that they will send you a script with multiple errors. Proofreading projects will provide to you in digital, pre-typed as an image form or in physical handwriting form to understand how to do the work. The clients or partners will provide sample for you. This is where the tool I told you before comes in. The tool is Grammarly. You can go over to their website on grammarly.com. This is something I have been using myself for a while now, and I can guarantee you this is 100% legit. This is also one of the best tools out there which can help us correct errors in text. What we will need to do is add Grammarly as an extension to Chrome, so you will be using Google Chrome as your browser. So click on this and then that will take you to this page right here where you can add Grammarly as an extension. You can see that Grammarly does have a premium package, but it is not necessary because the free one offers you exactly what you need. It helps you with spelling, grammar, and punctuation. This is what we need to do. Improve reading jobs, as you can see here. So you don't have to be Grammarly premium. You can save that money for something else. So now we'll try to show you how Grammarly works. Let me just copy an article and add in some errors, and let's try to see how Grammarly correct them. What I did is I copied an article from this website right here about losing weight. I passed it on Google Docs and then I added a bit of text so that it will have errors, and check this out. Not only did it detect every mistakes, which include small errors like punctuation marks, but it shows you here the overall score of your test, the correction, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So Grammarly goes above and beyond just to collect your grammatical errors, and you can do all of this for completely free. However, by far the best thing about this is that you don't have to manually correct every error, because you can only click the error over here and you click on that will automatically change the text error in your article, and it's really easy. All you have to do is just copy the article. cginc.info will give you past it on Google Docs. Use Grammarly to correct the errors for the text and send it back to them. You will then easily be accepted as a proofreader on their website. So if you do this method and if you follow all the steps I just showed you, you will be able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars just by doing this. And again, you don't need any experience at all, and you do not need to have a break knowledge of English, because Grammarly will do the work for you. And that brings us to the end of the video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.